Hello everyone, this is Abhilashapodcast and you are listening to my podcast called Knowing Universe. Last time I talked about exoplanets. Exoplanets are those planets where the possibility of life has been observed. Today I'm going to talk about a little bit more about the habitable zone or the Goldilocks zone and the tidally locked kind of concepts were very new. So as you know that we are constantly trying to the possibility of life on different planets. There was a time where we tried to find life on Titan because ice is there. Ice means what? Water. Water means that there is hydrogen and oxygen always present, and probably there will be few more elements which can help us to thrive. So currently NASA, you know NASA. So NASA, they have a program called Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, so which help us to understand where are those planets which can help us to move. So they have identified Earth-sized world, which is called as TOI 700 and 700E. So it is not the only one, it's a series. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star. The star is that is a little smaller than our sun, but it's a main sequence star, but it's a dwarf star. Our sun is medium sized. So the distance of the planet from the star is very nice. What is the meaning of very nice? That it is Goldilocks zone or habitable zone. The meaning of habitable zone is very clear, like where you can live, right? So Goldilocks zone is that particular zone where possibility of water and maybe oxygen and maybe few other elements is there. Because those planets are just 100 light years away from us. So 100 light years away, what does it mean? It means that if the ray of light started today from that star, it will reach to us. Guess how many years? Exactly, just 100 years. I know, even in my opinion, it's very far, and I would like to trust our brilliant minds of brilliant scientists that this 100 years may reduce to 100 minutes or maybe, for now I cannot go down smaller than that. No, I'm not going to say 100 seconds, even 100 minutes are also, a little far-fetched from what I understand so far. But like they will reduce the distance. Somehow they will, create a spaceship, obviously. So let's talk about the 700E, maybe our new home, new Earth. So that is like, very much like Earth, as in 95% of Earth size and rocky. That's what we are looking for, right? And habitable zone, as I said, Goldilocks. So that means there is a possibility of doing, some kind of agricultural practices. Because Jupiter would have been ideally the best option for us, a bigger home, but Jupiter just being made of gas, at least that's what we know so far, it's impossible. It seems impossible till now that there is a possibility of life on Earth, especially the life forms we are of. So there the astronomers, coming back to 700 TOI 700E, they have discovered 3 more planets before. They are called as obviously 700B, 700C and 700D. Now out of those 3, 700D is also in habitable zone. But after some more observation, scientists found that they discovered a TOI 700E, and after a lot of thinking and analyzing stuff, TOI 700E, even if it's smaller, it is found to be better than others. One more interesting thing I would like to share, because see, all these informations are mostly, I would say, that beyond our comprehension, apart from just the facts I just told you. But one interesting thing about, the habitable zone is that they are tidally locked. Okay, whether it is B, C, D or E, they are all tidally locked. What does it mean? It means that spin only once per orbit and they always face the star. Just like moon always face the sun. Have you ever seen the other side of the moon? No, none of us, because the moon is also tidally locked, right? So that is one interesting thing. I thought that we can make use of it and maybe we can use as a phrase. Oh, why you are tidally locked always towards me? Me being star and you being moon, right? Just think this is an interesting thing I just said. So 700b is around 90% of the Earth's size, and it orbits a star, that means the dwarf star, every 10 days. Okay, so that is the innermost planet. And the other planet, which is again in habitable zone, that's planet D, is on 37-day orbit. So it's a very long time it's going to take that will have more information which we can understand right now. But this is the best information what we have for now. These exoplanets, they have a few more information. Like we have used a technique called transmission spectroscopy, which is, it's a hi-fi method of understanding the details. But finally, when we see the results, it looks like a barcode. And those barcodes tell us what we miss from the satellite. So the pieces which are coming from the spectrum, it's a light spectrum, it tells us a little bit about what makes the atmosphere of that exoplanet or any other planet. So there is a possibility of methane. That's very good. Oxygen, awesome, right? And these two gases together, can create a possibility of life. Yes, isn't it? Because they are quite a good recipe for smoke. It's like, you are in a forest lost and suddenly you see smoke. What do you feel? That, oh, there's a fire. That means people may be around there. You get the point now? Yeah? So we are looking for our another blue and white marble in the space, which will help us to survive. Or not just us. It's not just about us now. It's about to understand the universe more, knowing the universe. Signs of life have been found on Mars, Jupiter's moon Europa, and Saturn's moon Enceladus. So when we are planning our future missions, we will be still, it is in conceptual stage. We just have found something which just tells us, okay, go ahead. So there is a possibility, on these just, moons. So why not? Why not? We just should keep on experimenting. We should keep exploring. We never know what will come out of it, isn't it? That's what I would like to say. And before I end, I just cannot not tell you about Titan. Titan is the Saturn's moon. Titan has river, lake and seas of methane and methane. Hydrocarbons, people. So, nitrogen and water, what else you want? It's good enough for us to explore. So again, it's a moon, Saturn's moon, but okay, I think it is explorable again. So these are some of the moons and the exoplanets where the possibility of life is there, and we are still exploring. We are just trying to understand, is there life beyond us? That's the idea of the whole exploration. So with this, today I have to say goodbye to you. Be on Guru. Yes, I truly believe in this, guys. Truly believe in this. Be on Guru. Have fun. Reach out to me. Some of you have reached out to me, and please share the podcast with other people you think that they might be interested to listen to it. Okay, and let's create a community, a strong one, and try to understand things better as we can do. Reach out to me on abhilashapodcast@gmail.com and also leave a message on the podcast itself. Okay, thank you for listening. Bye.